Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be safe and sound. Guys, once again I have come up with an amazing Forex trading broker. This broker is providing $100 no deposit bonus 2024. Let's get started. How can we get $100 no deposit bonus from this broker? But before talking about the no deposit bonus, I wanted to say that watch this video complete so that you can understand all in the terms and condition. TheFxplayer $100 USD no deposit bonus 2024. Bonus summary. Broker name, TheFxplayer. Available for new traders. Validity date, the 31st of December 2024. Bonus amount, $100. TheFxplayer wants to help new clients of the company with a $100 no deposit bonus to test the service and start the live trading experience with no risk of losing money. Get your $100 bonus after registering in the client's area. Download Trading Terminal and use bonus to execute live trades. The trader join under the campaign can withdraw gained profits after met the promotion terms as attached along with the promotion. $100 Forex no deposit bonus. Register to the client's area. Verify the personal details. Apply for the client's $100 no deposit bonus. Cash out. Bonus, yes. Profits. TheFxplayer no deposit bonus. Terms, yes. The offer is available for 1 per IP address. General terms and conditions apply. Hopefully you enjoyed video and learned something new. Please subscribe to our channel and like video and share it among your friends and family members. Thanks. I can't recommend or endorse financial services or products, and Forex trading can be risky. So please do your own research before you invest any money.